Hi, your fans, welcome to my channel. I'm Garnet, Sandy Shores, Great Outdoors. Hey, look, I got the old boy back. Had her sitting out at Kevin's for a while, and she was pretty dirty. Look at the inside of her. And the whole boat was like this. It was sitting outside for a long time. And I brought her home, and I figured let's get her back going again. Look at the moss. And she's been sitting out in this field for quite a while. Yeah, she's looking skookum. So I just started to clean her up. And I've been using toilet bowl cleaner, and she's coming right off. And I'll show you here. I'm just going to start cleaning a bit, and I'll give it to June. And yeah, what the button here is, come a little more this way. I'll try that. Okay. There we go. Here's my brush. Now I need my glove. Need my glove. Using toilet duck and stuff like that, you better use rubber gloves. Give her some, come over this way and take a look a little bit. That old mildew on there, I've been leaving it sit for a little bit. Come right around this here. There's a toilet, eh? Oh, she was looking bad. Coming. I'll put it on the back here and let her chew away at that shale. Right down here, this was kind of really bad. Well, it'll come out. Okay, we'll give her a quick wash. Let's use this a little bit ugly. In time, it'll come right back. Sometimes you got to get a right up tip to clean it. Coming off. Put the tip right on it. Believe it or not, I bought this boat off the neighbor over here. He bought it for his daughters in 1967. He put it on the lake. The kids never touched it. He never touched it. Family never touched it. He put it in a hay barn. That's where it's at ever since. I bought it about, what, 8 years ago, something like that. 8, 9 years ago. And the old sled I got, the old Avenue, the same thing. Bought from the same guy, his old Tony's White. It's no more, but it's Tony's White Rose Service Avenue dealer, Westlock, Alberta. Right? And it's still got the 342 numbers, 349 now. Right? There's the old name right there. I'm not sponsoring any trademark or company names that see or hear in this video. But that's the old name. That's the old place where, and right here too. But yeah, she runs like a dream, that old boy. She's like new, that old motor. Just the age has been sitting there. I'll give you the other side to love right now. I don't trip and kill myself. Oh, friends, someone's garbage. One man's garbage is another man's treasure. Nothing wrong with that boy. The gloves keep letting off in this thing. But anyway, we'll stop it at that right now, and I'll bring the GoPro out and we'll finish it off, because this one here, it has a short memory and things. So we'll bring you right back in a little bit. You like this, thumbs up, please subscribe, leave a comment. But come on back, I'm going to bring the GoPro on her and we'll get a real good video on it, and I'll put the laptop on. This one doesn't record very good. We'll stop it for now. We'll see you in a bit. Okay, here we go. That's a lot better. Look at all the crap that come out of her. Took the car wash to her. Sat there, oh, good hour, eh? Good hour washing her down. That everything come right back. They still got a few specks on, a couple dirty spots. Like that'll come clean every time you wash it. Some will come off, a little speck will come off. Found my mooring ball. A nice anchor. That'll come back. I'll spray the fenders there and it's gonna look fine. Just gotta find my fuel hose. I got it in the shop here somewhere. And the some of the there's a cold air front thing just on the top of the steering wheel there. That goes in the opening. I gotta get a steam. I got a steamer here. I just gotta fire it up, soften it up, and get it back in place and let it set itself. But this bottom sat dirty for a lot of years. It's pretty tough to get off. I might try and see that stuff at Taiwan Tire. If that'll remove it. There's supposed to be some stuff there that removes it. But I used that toilet duck and it made a world of difference, eh? Yeah. Made a world of difference on here. And compared to that old white shaly look on it, Jesus, what a difference. Anyway, that's it for now. If you like that, please subscribe, thumbs up. And there's more to come. I'll be doing a startup, will it start? And then we'll be doing fishing trips. Alrighty, thanks for watching.